Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best grout removal tools that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt Oscillating Tool DWE315K for quick grout removal. The DeWalt DWE315K Oscillating Tool is not only one of the best grout removal tools available on the market, but also one of the best tools for scraping, sanding, cutting or removing a range of materials. DeWalt DWE315K is one of the most effective tools to remove grout without damaging the tiles. It even comes with a LED lamp that helps brighten your work surface for a perfect and precise operation. With the amazing features present on the DeWalt DWE315K Oscillating Tool, you would readily agree that it is the best electric grout remover. Moving on at number 4, we have the Grout Grabber GG001 Grout Removal Tool. It works effectively on the floor or wall and comes with a little risk of damaging the tile. However, the blade of this tool is thin and may require the combination of several blades to remove all the grout. If you already own a reciprocating saw, you should consider adding the Grout Grabber GG001 to your collection for a quick and accurate grout removal. This 6-inch grout rake features a curved cutting edge, 2-inch blade, for optimum grout removing accuracy. It has coarse carbide grit that helps in the removal of all cement-based and epoxy grout types from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch. At number 3, we have the Bosch Angle Grinder 1375A for large grout removal. The Bosch 1375A 4.5 in angle grinder features a powerful 6.0 amp motor that produces 11,000 no-load RPM, making this compact grinder a powerhouse tool. It was designed for concrete contractors, vehicle fabricators and other professionals who need a compact grinder. With a well-designed grip, lock-on slide switch, 2-position side handle and 11,000 no-load RPM, this workhorse can get the job done. It is well suited for metal fabrication, concrete restoration, pipe fitting and more. It uses service minder brushes that stops the grinder when preventative maintenance is required and epoxy-coated field windings, for longer tool life. The lock-on slide switch, 2-position side handle and 3.75 pounds. Weight add to user comfort and control. At number 2, we have the Craft Tool ST147 Grout Saw for removing old grout. Ron Meyer and C. Craft established Craft Tool Co. in 1981. Quality as a mainstay in our business. In order to supply our customers the best products, we have strict quality control while sourcing material globally to use in our manufacturing facilities in Shawnee, Kansas, Neodesha, Kansas and Sharon Hill, Pennsylvania. Over our 37 years, we've grown from a small building to a sprawling manufacturing and warehouse facility. Our brands have been making products since 1798, with W. Rose Masonry Tools, Superior Tile Cutter since 1938 and Sands Level and Tools since 1895 and Gator Tools since 2008. Thank you for supporting Craft Tool Company. As always, our of providing you the highest quality tools and service is our most important job. And finally, at number 1, we have the QEP 10020 Grout Removal Hand Tool. Hand tools are the old-fashioned method of removing grout from tiles. To remove grout, you only have to place your hand tool's tip or blade on the grout joint and apply pressure to cut or scrape out the grout. Hand tools are suitable for detailed work where the protection of the tiles is needed. They are not as fast as the electric grout removal and are mostly used for small grout repairs but unsuitable for handling a large-scale project. With this tool, you will not only remove grout but will also be able to reach tight corners and stubborn areas, thereby complementing the work done by your oscillating tool. It offers a comfort grip with a durable tip that removes other materials like thinset, surface residue, caulking, and mortar.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.